Motorhead Garage, brought to you by Dragonfire Tools. Quality tool storage for your shop or garage.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. If you ride a motorcycle, you know leathers are so important, first and foremost for safety, and of course you want them to be comfortable, and you want them to look good too, because you're riding a motorcycle, and it's really cool, Melinda, to ride a motorcycle. And the best place to go for leathers is Fox Creek Leather. I'm telling you, I've never seen or felt anything like this. What sets Fox Creek Leather apart from the other stuff that's out there on the market?
40 years ago, Paul Trashy started the business, and people had taught him you want to go for the stuff with the best materials.
And that's what he's still doing.
And made in America. That's
important too, and I know it's important to a lot of folks riding motorcycles especially.
And still today we're able to do that.
This is one of your best-selling jackets here. What are some of the features of it that make it stand out from the competition?
Okay, well, I'll tell you, this is the classic one. It's the traditional bike jacket that most people think of. You've got vents under the sleeves. You've got gussets at the shoulders, so when you reach out towards your handlebars, it moves with you. You've got a liner that zips in or out. You've got pockets for the inside, anything you want to put. You've got a large pocket for concealed carry if you need it, but it's just good for anything.
You're getting a ton of protection from this leather because it's thick, and then you can feel that. And the venting, of course, will make you comfortable. And you have it right there on the arms. You've got there behind the sleeves here. And this is great. You want to reach for the handlebars, you're going to need the flexibility. Yes. There's a lot of less expensive leather, let's say, out there that's not as good, and you're not getting any flex at all. So this is all about comfort and all about safety as well.
Full grain leather. It just can't be beat.
And something else here that's fantastic, these are the overpants that you have. A lot of folks like chaps, but folks are leaning toward the overpants now. Why is that?
Everything's covered.
That's right. All the important stuff is covered here.
Chaps are comfortable, but they're not covered in the front, and they're not covered in the seat. Here you've got it all, and they're easy to put on and off. They zip all the way to the top, to the bottom, and there you have snaps to snap them around your boots so they won't be flying all over the place.
And the second you're done riding, off they come, and you're comfortable.
Take them off, and you've got your jeans and stayed clean and dry, and ready to go.
Fantastic. Now, the place where you can see the quality of materials here, it really stands out when talking about your gloves. And gloves are a safety thing as well, but you want to be comfortable when you're riding. What are your gloves made of to make them so soft and so supple?
Most of these are deer, but we do have elk. It's a really superb material to make gloves out of. It's just sometimes it's a little harder to get. The deer is hard to beat because it's really abrasive resistant. And yet it still feels thin and supple in your hand. And that'll make you comfortable on a long, long ride especially. Oh, yes, yes. And the leathers that you have here at Fox Creek are amazing, and you might as well augment it with some cool accessories here. And this tool bag is one example of that. You guys have a ton of accessories made of beautiful leather. Tell me about that tool bag. This tool bag is one of our better selling pieces because it fits most any bike. It can be on the forks. It comes in 3 sizes. There's a small and a larger one. It's made out of really good high quality leather, the same as saddlebags. It holds its shape. It's got quick release buckles. You don't have to fool with the buckle, which is hard, when you have your gloves on especially, and it comes with leather straps and good buckles to attach it to the bike. You can look great, you can be comfortable, and above all, you can be safe with leathers from Fox Creek Leather. You can find it at foxcreekleather.com and enter this discount code for 15% off. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com in just a moment.